everyone, Veronica here with Daily Foods, and I'm back in the Daily Kitchen today. I'm going to share with you my super easy alkalizing green drink recipe. This recipe I make every morning when I want to have something alkalizing. It's super easy to prepare. It takes just about 30 seconds to make. You don't have to use a juicer or even a blender to prepare this recipe. It's made using just 3 simple ingredients and some water. What you're going to need first of all is a chlorophyll packed green leafy powder. My preference is kale powder. This is just a really delicious and simple way to get lots of chlorophyll and lots of alkalizing foods into your diet. So the kale powder is my preference. But you can also use some other different chlorophyll packed foods. The spirulina powder, this is a blue-green algae powder. And then another option would be some organic wheatgrass powder. And I'll include links in the description below of where you can purchase these items on Amazon. But the other ingredients that you'll need are some lemon. You have several different options here for lemon. You can use bottled lemon juice, like this organic lemon juice here. You can use just fresh squeezed lemon juice, like by opening this lemon. Or something I've already done here is I've taken 1 whole lemon and I blended it in the blender with about 3 cups of water. So in this jar I have blended lemon with the rind and the pith all together with water. So this is my preference for making this alkalizing green drink, but if you don't have a blender, you don't even have to do that. You can simply just use fresh lemon or bottled lemon. And then a fourth option for lemon would be organic lemon powder, which is available on Amazon as well, and I'll share a link in the description for that. Now, this is an optional ingredient, but I do like to sweeten this a little bit. It just helps with the green flavor. I like to use stevia extract in liquid form, but you can also use the powdered form as well. So you're just going to combine those 2 or 3 ingredients into a jar or a cup, and then put filtered water up to the top and then cover it and shake it, and it's ready to drink. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration. I have some kale powder here. You can use, I like to look on the back of the package and see what size a serving is. So for this kale powder, 1 serving is 1 teaspoon. So I'm thinking, okay, I want 1 to 2 teaspoons serving of leafy greens. If you're using something like spirulina, 1 serving here is 1 tablespoon. So it kind of does vary. So look on the back nutrition facts. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to combine 1 or 2 teaspoons of the kale powder in here. Now I'm going to use my blended up lemon juice. And you can use whatever measurement that you prefer. I would say about 1 tablespoon to 1/4 cup of juice, kind of depending on the flavor that you like. And then I'm going to do 4 drops of stevia. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm just going to put some filtered water in here. Okay, and see, look at my beautiful alkalizing green drink here. And I'm just going to shake it up. You can also use a fork if you need to get all that extra at the bottom, but yeah, just shake it and then it's ready to drink. So you don't have to use a blender, you don't have to use a juicer. You can save yourself so much time and effort, but still have your delicious green drink recipe every day. Cheers! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more alkalizing plant-based recipes, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Yum.